Hello everyone, this is Saad and today we are going to talk about Hacktoberfest. So Hacktoberfest is an annual event that happens around the world in the month of October. Once you contribute to open source softwares in the month of October, you get a limited edition t-shirt. So today I'm going to show you how you can complete this Hacktoberfest challenge and get your t-shirt. So for that, go to this website hacktoberfest.digitalocean.com and click on Start Hacking. Once you click on it, it will automatically connect your GitHub account to this website. As you can see that I have already created 3 of the 4 required pull requests to complete this Hacktoberfest challenge. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my final pull request and complete this challenge and show you how easy it is to contribute to any open source software. For that, I have opened this repository. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fork it. And once I have forked it, I'm just going to go ahead and clone this repository. Now I'm going to cd into it. Now I'm going to open it in my VS Code. Now once it's opened, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my branch so that I don't make any changes in the master branch. And let's say the branch name, let's call it documentation. And as you can see, the new branch has been created and I have also switched to this branch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this readme. Okay, so let's do some changes. I think it should look better in code, and I think this should be at the center. For that, what I can do is I can, just go ahead and do this. And since this is an H1 heading, I'm just going to do this. Yeah, let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to commit these changes to GitHub. I'm going to use source control manager of VS Code, and I'm going to add a commit message here. Center aligned heading and quote and added quote. Okay, I'm going to commit it now, git push, and there you go, it has successfully been pushed to the GitHub. Now if you take a look at here, you can see that there's a documentation branch that has been created, and I have an option to create a pull request right from here. For that, I'm going to click here, compare and pull request. I'm going to I'm going to just copy this from here, cut it here, and add documentation doc. I'm going to add some description in this BR. I have improved your documentation. I'm going to click here, create pull request. And as you can see that a pull request has been successfully created in this repository, in the main repository that I forked earlier. I'm going to just go ahead and go to Hacktoberfest website. I'm going to refresh this page. And there you go. 4 out of 4. I have successfully completed this year's Hacktoberfest challenge. Now it will take a week to verify that the pull requests I have created so far are not spam, and after that I have successfully completed this challenge. This is how easy it is to complete a Hacktoberfest challenge, and in the meantime you can contribute to any open source software you like. You can contribute to its documentation, you can contribute to its code. And like if I show you in this pull request, I actually contributed to the code. Like if you take a look at here, so if you take a look at here, I improve this code by adding try and catch block, and improve the whole overall code whatsoever. So that's pretty much about it. Go ahead, find some open source repository, which you like and contribute to the code documentation, or now go to any GitHub repository and fork it, clone it, made some changes, proper changes, not some spam. If you think there is some kind of documentation improvement, do that. If you think there is some kind of code improvement, do that. And just commit it and open pull request, and you will be able to just complete this challenge.